Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Farhan Shabir. I hope you are enjoying good health. Today we are sharing the job opportunity manager engineering for one of the leading company. If you want to know more about job details, eligibility criteria, perks and benefits and application process, please watch the complete video. We will also discuss about the immigration, tourism and career counseling videos as well. So subscribe our channel. Let's discuss about the job opportunity. The job title is Manager Engineering, Industry FMCG Food Industry and location Lahore, Pakistan. Qualification minimum bachelor's in engineering, mechanical or electrical and around 8 to 10 years of experience required in engineering field. More preferred experience in the maintenance engineering experience in the FMCG industry. Salary range is around 250 to 300,000 salary plus benefits, fuel, vehicle and other benefits. If you feel you are the right fit for this job opportunity, then apply on the mentioned email ID. The last date for this job application is 28th of July. Thank you for watching our video. Allah Hafiz.